Now the ladies who aren't making the skirt, you can start on your pin cushion. You want your 2 pieces of fabric, and you can make it that if you shape if you wish. I've drawn a heart on mine, any shape you like, or a circle. Then with the 2 pieces together, I've pinned and then sewn on the machine. Very easy. Take your pins out. Perhaps just put a few snips in here so it can turn out nicely. Not too close to your stitches. The curves are what need it really. I should have said, don't sew all the way around, leave a gap. Then turn it inside out, or outside out I should say. Oops. And hopefully we've got a heart shape. Yeah, sort of. Just give it a bit press, see if it'll. No, I think the iron is cold. Anyway, when you got that far, you get your stuffing and just push it in. And you got it nice and plump, nice and fat. I'm doing mine quickly. You can take your time. Plenty of stuffing. And then, where you've not sewn, pin. Oops. And sew by hand. I like to do a sort of over sew stitch, the two sides together as you go along, and so on, and then you've got your pin cushion. Put plenty of stuffing in yours.